Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be mostly non-phone, responding to emails. Y'all seem to like those job leads where it's customer service through like email and live chat. So that is what I have for you today. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, this one is going to contain some other components besides just email, like some live chat, social media, things like that. The company is Jungle Scout. They have 140 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service representative. Now, they have 2 different shifts available, and they are hiring in Canada and the United States. The first shift they have available is 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday Central Standard Time. The other one is 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Friday through Tuesday Central Standard Time. But they're basically looking for somebody to handle all of their inbound ticket volume during their peak busy hours, making sure their department meets their service level agreement goals. So you're basically going to be handling these customer service, communicating with empathy, being responsible for making sure that the customers get the most from their purchases. You'll engage with customers through email, chat, sometimes video calls, and sometimes social media. You're going to answer questions and find creative solutions to any problems that they're having while being efficient, resourceful, and productive. So basically, you're going to have to learn and master all of Jungle Scout's products inside and out so you can show candidates how to use the products. And so once you've got the billing and membership basics down, you'll also learn how to retain customers, keep their loyalty, and use your communication skills to make sure that those same customers keep coming back over and over again. You will be expected to apply your product expertise to be able to read and understand data and explain the data to the customer. So you're going to be learning a lot with this position. Best part about this, they don't require a college degree, just somebody who has 3 years of customer service experience. They would like somebody who has a software as a service or software as a solution support, somebody who has been supporting email or chat channels in the past, and someone who's familiar with e-commerce industry like Amazon, Seller Central, or things like that. You've got to have great communication skills and have a growth positive mindset. Now, unfortunately, they did not list actual pay in the job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but people who's previously worked as a customer support representative at Jungle Scout said that they made anywhere from $39,000 to $54,000 a year. And Glassdoor says the estimated median pay is actually going to be $46,292 a year. $46,000 a year for a full-time job is going to be $22 an hour. Just please remember that is an estimate and not the actual stated pay. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.